Hey, here comes the process of making the black swan. Prepare the crayon tools first. On all. Fucked up. The double-sided tape and white latex here. Use whichever you have. Take out the drawing just now and cut it out. Be careful when cutting. Don't hurt your fingers. You can do it. I skipped for you. Here I used a sculpted knife to button the eyes. Now is the most critical time. You have to pay attention. Don't throw away the scraps left over from the previous cutting paper. I can do it easily. Cut out a small square paper and cut an F on each side of the square. After cutting, cut off the excess corner. Here's where I draw in pencil. Cut along the traces of the pencil drawing. You can do it. Pass the folded part through. Just made a hole in the skirt. You can see for yourself here. I can't explain it anymore. Glue the two small white corners. Take out the top half of the clothes. Glue them. Press it for a while. It will stick more firmly. Let me show you the effect of this joint. It still feels good. The smoothness of the joints can also be, and it's not too loose. Can you do that? Hey, I know you don't want to watch it again. Then let me continue to help you back speed. How is the speed? Okay. A lot of people have been asking me lately, how old are you? How old is the host? Actually, I've said it many times. Say it again today. Tell your anchors that I am 180 years old this year. You can call me grandma or you can call me your own fairy. You can do it easily. The company can do it. Here maybe I did it with an automatic pen. Mark you can't see clearly. But don't worry. I'll paint it again with pastels in pink. You can do it. If there is still something you can't learn, then that. Button eye beans. Hey. Here we draw a line on each side of the street. Cut out the blue shaded part with scissors. This is what it looks like after cutting. Now I'm going to use pink pastels. You can do it. This is what it looks like. You can draw eye freely in the shade of blue, as long as it's on top of the pink. Engrave the shade of blue. It is to allow the drawstring to go through the rear. The shade in the pink area is for sticking the baffle. The roll of the baffle, it can prevent the drawbar from skewing when sliding. See how it works? By the way, forgot to say, the upper opening can be larger, easy to slide. We put the other eye. Also make it according to the method just now. I know you don't want to see. I quietly put my body on it. Apply glue to the baffle. Just glue his face on. I did rub in the video. You can do it. I don't know if you like it or not. The feeling of a stick standing on the head. I don't like it very much, so I folded it down. In this way, the eyes cannot be seen from the front. Show it.